Isaac joining us today. Isaac and I love to make dinner, and we kind of run out of ideas. So I found a recipe on Facebook, and I messaged it to Isaac, and we decided to try it. So we did it last night. It was a huge success, and so we want to pass it on to you. We found the recipe from munchiegoddess.com, and they're called air fryer Italian wraps. So Isaac and I want to show you step by step how to make this. So Isaac is using just a regular flour tortilla. I will be using a carb balanced wheat tortilla. So we've got salami, black forest ham, pepperoni. Those are our meats. Olive Garden Italian dressing. Banana peppers. You'll need a good Italian seasoning. We are using Green Goddess seasoning blend by Trader Joe's. Okay, and Isaac, what's our last ingredient? Mozzarella cheese. We're using the fresh mozzarella.
Start off with the mozzarella.
Okay. Okay, Isaac, show us from start to finish how you're doing this. You've got 4 mozzarella balls.
And I'm going to keep them centered.
Okay. So it's easier to fold your tortilla.
Heck yeah.
Okay, and then black forest ham first, after the cheese. Salami. And pepperoni. And you kind of want to keep it all kind of in the middle so it's easier to fold. Did you already put your dressing?
Oh, not yet.
And then banana peppers.
I'm gonna put her on there.
Ooh, that looks good. Oh, you like a lot. Okay. And then fold it up like a burrito. And I will get the melted butter. Oh, that looks nice, Isaac. Okay, and then you brush it with butter. And then we put the Italian seasoning on the outside too. It was really good that way, wasn't it, Isaac?
Oh, heck yeah. If you have an air fryer, preheat it to 390.
Okay, Isaac's wraps look really good. Now I'm going to make mine. I have my wheat low-carb tortilla, and then I'm going to put 4 mozzarella balls in the middle. And to that, I'm going to add 2 slices of ham. If you love ham, add 3 or 4. I like ham. I don't love it, but I do love salami. So I'm going to add 5 pieces of salami. And I will add 4 pieces of pepperoni. You can suit yourself. If you love something, add more of it. And then some banana peppers. I am not in love with banana peppers, but I decided to try them, and they're actually really good on this wrap. And then I'll give it a drizzle of Olive Garden Italian dressing. And then more Italian. This is called an Italian wrap for a reason, right, Isaac?
Heck yeah.
And then I'm going to wrap this up like a burrito. Okay, I'm going to shove all that in there. And there's my wrap. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to brush this with butter. And then when it's done cooking, you give it another brush of butter. And then some Italian seasoning. There's one. And last night I made 2. I ate one for dinner, and then I ate the other one for lunch today. was really easy to just heat up. And it tasted just as good. The hardest part is getting this closed. There, that one's not pretty, but it's closed. Brushing it with butter, some Italian seasoning, and we're ready for the air fryer. Our air fryer is preheated to 390 degrees. Isaac's going to put our wraps in. We are using a Ninja Foodi. I love my Ninja Foodi. I use it so much. And look how big it is. I mean, we're going to be able to fit all 4 of our wraps easily. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, let's shut it. Our Ninja was preheated. Isaac's got the wraps in nicely. Now we are going to set this for 9 minutes on air crisp 390 degrees for 9 minutes. It's already hot because we preheated it. If you've got a regular air fryer that you know how to use, just make your own adjustments. So in 9 minutes, we'll show you what these Italian wraps look like. After you get your wraps out of the air fryer, you can go ahead and add another layer of butter. Brush that on. I'm going to take one of my wraps and just put it in foil right now. And this will be my lunch tomorrow. They keep really well in the fridge. Okay, I'm gonna slice mine open, Isaac. Sophia, do you want some? Sophia just got back from work. Oh. Look at that. Goodness. Isaac, you're so tall you can't see your face. Oh, look at that. Oh, so yummy. Okay, let's fix this so we can see your face. Okay, Isaac, let's give this a try.
Yes, indeed.
Look at this. You could do a Greek version of this and do artichoke hearts, Kalamata olives, feta cheese.
Yeah, why didn't we think of that?
Well, this is just a start. This is to get you going, and then you use your own creativity. But actually, this combination here is pretty darn good. So you should try it. We made this last night, and we're already making it again. That's how good this is. I actually had this for dinner last night, lunch today, and dinner today. For breakfast, I had yogurt. The air fryer makes it really good and crispy, and a really nice texture, don't you think, Isaac?
Yeah, using an air fryer makes it taste like a pizza pocket.
Yeah, it does. Or a calzone. Or a stromboli. Just kidding.
Yeah, that too.
I don't even know what that is. Okay. Cheers to a good Italian wrap. Coco, honey, it's too spicy for you.
Might not like it.
Isaac, cheers to a good, easy
Cheers to this.
dinner. Boom.